If you were concerned that DJI, a leading maker of drones, would slow down its production due to a lack of competition and the possibility of a US ban, you could put those fears aside. Recent information has come to light about a new small drone called the DJI Flip, which could be part of the popular DJI Mini series. This drone combines unmatched portability with excellent performance, making waves in the drone community that it could be available as early as January 2025. Join us as we dive into the details of what makes this drone one of the most anticipated products of 2025. The buzz around the DJI Flip gained momentum following its registration in the FCC database, a definitive sign that DJI is preparing to unveil something extraordinary. Rumors suggest that this drone will feature a foldable design, which is the first of its kind for DJI, allowing it to cater to a market that demands portability without compromising performance. Speculation about its size and weight points to a sub-250-gram drone, potentially exempting it from strict registration requirements in several countries. Design renders circulating online reveal a sleek, modern, foldable body that aligns with DJI's signature aesthetics, and it will have a 3,110 mAh battery. Drone enthusiasts speculate that the Flip will target mid-tier users with a price point designed to attract travelers, content creators, and casual hobbyists. With possible dual-band connectivity, it might also offer seamless communication and enhanced stability for high-quality streaming and control. Industry insiders suggest the Flip could integrate AI features such as automated flight paths and object tracking, making it user-friendly and ideal for spontaneous adventures. There are some rumors that the new drone will feature advanced sensors to help it avoid obstacles and will support a new transmission system known as OcuSync 404. This means it will be compatible with DJI's latest controllers, the RC2 and RCN2. However, some critics have raised concerns about whether this drone will bring enough innovation to justify its place in DJI's already robust lineup. These rumors have only fueled excitement as fans eagerly await official announcements to confirm what this compact marvel can genuinely deliver. If DJI's track record is any indication, the Flip will come packed with features that blend practicality and performance. Its rumored foldability is a standout aspect, likely enabling users to carry it effortlessly in a pocket or small bag. This innovation could make it the ultimate travel companion, perfect for hikers, vloggers, and anyone seeking to document their adventures without lugging around bulky equipment. Other potential advancements include a 4K or higher resolution camera with enhanced stabilization for smooth video footage. The Flip may also feature robust AI capabilities for functions like object tracking and obstacle avoidance, ensuring a seamless user experience. Furthermore, a durable build, possibly engineered to withstand diverse environments, could set it apart as a go-to drone for outdoor enthusiasts. When comparing the DJI Flip or other foldable drone concepts to existing drones, key considerations revolve around portability, functionality, and performance. A breakdown could help you understand how foldable or compact drones like the DJI Flip might stand against current market leaders such as the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, DJI Mini 3 Pro, Autel Evo 2v3, and others. Foldable drones like the DJI Flip focus on ultra-compact designs for greater portability, offering an edge over larger models like the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, which is bulkier due to its triple camera setup. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is already lightweight at under 250 grams, but foldable drones may enhance portability further without sacrificing functionality. While high-end models like the Autel Evo 2 V3 provide 6K video for professionals, foldable drones will likely target the mid-tier market, offering 4K capabilities like the DJI Mini 3 Pro and Autel Evo Nano Plus. Advanced drones like the Mavic 3 Pro and Autel Evo 2v3 offer long flight times, 43 and 40 minutes, and solid stability in various weather. While foldable drones may have shorter flight durations due to battery size, they often feature intelligent flight modes and good wind resistance. Essential features like obstacle avoidance and autonomous flight are important for making them competitive. Unlike professional drones such as the DJI Inspire 3, which excel in filmmaking with 8K recording and interchangeable lenses, foldable drones cater to casual users and hobbyists seeking convenience. The DJI Mini 3 Pro and DJI Air 2S set the standard for high-quality imaging and ease of use among foldable drones, making them more accessible to consumers. In contrast, higher-end models like the DJI Inspire 3 cater to professionals due to their higher price point. Foldable drones, such as the DJI Flip, prioritize portability and casual use, while established models like the Mavic 3 Pro and Air 2S excel in imaging and flight performance, each addressing different market needs and creating a competitive landscape. The drone community is abuzz with anticipation and mixed opinions about the DJI Flip. On forums, enthusiasts have voiced their excitement about the drone's potential to redefine portability in the drone market. Many fans are eager to see how the Flip's folding mechanism and compact size will enhance travel photography and videography. However, some skeptics argue that DJI might be focusing too much on catering to casual users rather than advancing professional-grade features. Others question whether the Flip can truly differentiate itself from existing options like the Mini series. Despite these concerns, the majority of the community remains optimistic and intrigued by the possibility of a drone that balances convenience, performance, and affordability. As we await the official unveiling, one can't help but wonder, is this the future of compact drones? For us, the DJI Flip generates both excitement and caution with its rumored foldable design, promising enhanced portability for travelers and casual users. Its potential AI features and quick deployment appeal to on-the-go creators, but concerns about durability and performance remain. To stand out in DJI's lineup and the competitive drone market, the Flip must prioritize quality and reliability. If executed well, it could redefine portable drones and make aerial photography more accessible. For now, it's a promising yet uncertain prospect as we await its release. Thanks for watching. Do you think the same? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, remember to subscribe.